How to fix if your wireless mouse is not working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn on how we can fix if our wireless mouse is not working. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. So if your wireless mouse is not working for some particular reason, right? Maybe you're using the mouse on your Windows or laptop. The first thing it could be is that the mouse does not have enough charge. So make sure, depending upon the type of mouse, whether it is a replaceable or a rechargeable battery, that your mouse has got plenty of charge. The other end of the USB, right, where you connect the Bluetooth hub, you want to make sure it is properly connected to your PC. In my case, I'm using a Mac Mini, so I have made sure it's properly connected to my PC, and in my case, you can see the mouse seems to be working just fine. Now, if you're using Windows, it could be that the mouse needs a separate driver to be installed. So you can look at the manufacturer's website or manual and check if there is any additional step like installing a driver or an app to be able to make that work. On macOS, usually this is done pretty automatically. If you have still some problems, then you can connect a wired mouse instead, and you can also go to its accessibility or other settings where you have the mouse settings, and from mouse settings you can customize whether or not your mouse is working. But most of the times it's just because that there is not enough charge. You can also try connecting it to an external or other PC if you have, and if your mouse is working on other PC but not working on your main PC from where you're trying, it could be the problem with the PC itself. But if your mouse is not working on both of those devices, then the chances are that there is a problem with the mouse. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.